Hey everyone, I am coming to you from the Cozy Corner in the Late Bloomer Garden in Los Angeles, and this is just a reminder of our next live stream, which is this Sunday, March 31st at 8 a.m., now 2 hours earlier, hoping that that reaches more people far from Los Angeles. And I look forward to you tuning in, joining the conversation, be a part of the community, leave a comment, and find out what's new in the Late Bloomer Garden. Things are about to get very interesting right here in about 30 minutes, and you'll be seeing that in a video coming up. But in the meantime, I will see you on Sunday. Oh, and just like invite some people over and have a little Late Bloomer live stream party.